and I am having a very lucky moment, and I thought that I should just give you guys a quick skincare routine. My skin routine changes all the time, so this is just one variable of one. And if you keep watching, I will explain about that. But right now, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video, share this video. It's like super rare for me to be able to record, and I'm trying my best. Like, it's 8:30 and I have surgery in the morning at 7:40, and I'm just making this happen. So yeah, just stay tuned and keep on watching. First, let's put our hair up. I got a couple of your skin, my skin, it changes all the time, and your skin can do so many different things. Like, there's no controlling that. So right now, I haven't washed my face in a day. This is probably the second day, and so I am very dry. I was in the shower and I was rubbing my face, and as you can see, if you can see this, it's just like super dry. My problem area on my face is my chin. So today it's really dry, so I'm treating the dryness today. So I'm not gonna do a super you know, oil stripping routine. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 different products and a scrub brush, and this one is battery operated, and I like this because the other one that I got from school, you had to have the charger, and then the port got messed up or loose or something and it stopped working, but this can stay compact and dry, and I just got it from ROTH. I wanted you guys to kind of feel like you sort of know what product you can compare these products to that you might already have at home. So I'll be explaining this as we go. Okay, so to start off, we're going to be using the Precleanse by DERMALOGICA, but this DERMALOGICA brand is the truth. You can find it at Ulta. You can get the little traveling kits, which I buy the traveling size kits. We're just going to put a little bit in our hands, and I like to just kind of put it on. Crack a little water, and then it's gonna emulsify on your face, and it's kind of messy, and a lot of people actually like to use this in the shower because it's loose. It's a loose liquid, and it also is really good to use for your makeup removal. Every step you take should take about 1 minute. That's a extreme number to me. I would say about 30-45 seconds for each step, but this is a quick step. This is just to get that first layer of oil off your skin, so that when you get to the other products, it can really penetrate your face. So rinsing it off, and I'm not gonna dry it off my face completely, just a little bit, just so I'm not like drippy while I talk. Then I'm just going to jump right into the second step, which is DERMALOGICA's Microfoliant. Okay, and this is actually pretty cool. This is actually a dry powder. It kind of reminds you of like the Tide like detergent, you know what I'm saying? When it gets wet, as you will see, it does this, and I'm just gonna like put it on. And I'm going to actually help, because the grit of the powder actually helps with exfoliation, but I'm going to help with that even more with my brush. And I'm not going to do this very long at all, because by the time we get to the bottom of the skincare, my skin's going to be extremely exfoliated. So I'm just going to do it real quick. And I'm focusing here to get all that dry, nasty skin off. Focus on all the dark little spots, all the little demon attacks I had. So my life has changed quite a bit since I last seen y'all, so maybe I should do like an update, but I just don't know if anybody cares, or if the people who watch my YouTube, like, you probably you have me on Facebook, so have you even missed anything? I'm about to rinse that off real quick with some warm water. I feel like I'm kind of having nervous energy for the surgery tomorrow, but at least I'm using it in a constructive way, right? Oh, I got boogies. By now, if you don't have boogers, you're not washing good enough. And now it is time for a mask, and I have a bunch of masks, and like I said, I alternate them on all types of different occasions. If you do follow me on social media, I posted on my Instagram the variety pack that I got for these. These are the Peter Thomas Roth little mini masks, and there's about 5 of them. I'll try to find the picture to show you guys all the different ones. This one is the gold one. It is the what does that say? 24 karat gold mask. It says it is pure luxury, lift and firm, ultimate luxurious anti-aging treatment. Hold on for 1 sec. Oh god. Oh god. If I can find a better mask. Hold on. So I changed my mind. I'm gonna use this one. It's the Cucumber Extreme Detox Hydrator, refreshing, cooling, moisturizing gel. Helps soothe the look of dry skin with cucumber extract. So this is more of what we need. So I'm just gonna put that all over my face. See, it's clear once you put it on. I'm going to let that sit for 10 minutes. And I guess while we do that, I will, I don't know, make myself useful, and I'll be right back. Okay, let me get the catfish crumbs off my mouth. Let's rinse that off. This time, while I wash this off, I'm gonna actually use a cooler water, so not so warm. Water, hot water, is more stripping, so I'm just gonna kind of cool it down a little bit. All right, now this time I'm gonna pat completely dry, and we'll move on to the next product. This doesn't take about but 20-25 minutes. So the next product we're going to be using is this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA plus BHA Pore Tight Toner. I really like this toner. This is a mild, soft toner. Typically, if I'm like in the summer, in the thick of things, when my skin is disgusting, grab some cotton balls, toner, and I'm also just kind of toss this one up because if you can see, this one's kind of also kind of milky, so I'm just kind of toss it around. Highly goopy texture, as you've seen. I'm just gonna go all over my face, all over. Next, we have Good Jeans by Sunday Riley. I love this. This is probably one of the favorites out of the group today. For this particular skincare, I love it. I love to use this every day, and this has really brought my skin back to normal whatever just whatever situation I was going through that was causing my skin to do what it did, which was pregnancy, this brought it to where I can like deal with it again, because it was just so reptilian and acneic and everything. So this is Good Genes. It's all-in-one lactic acid treatment, and we're just gonna pump a few little pumps in our hands and rub it all over. Wow, I got way too much. I really meant like half a pump. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little bit of this. I might just run it down my neck area since I have so much. I do not like to waste this stuff. I feel like that was like that one step that I really actually needed. I have to do the prep work, but that was the one step that I really needed. Okay, and I'm gonna rub that into my lips too. All right. Next we have the Silk Peony from TATCHA. It says melting eye cream for all types. So we're just gonna put this over our eyes, under our eyes. I mean, you know, the whole eye area, of course. And I noticed that whenever you have better moisturized under eyes, your concealer looks better under your eyes. So keep your delicate skin moisturized. Ooh, I feel really good. I feel really that Good Genes stuff. And I didn't read about the Good Genes, but look that up, because it's like, it's a lactic acid treatment, and so it plumps your skin because it's exfoliating it. So I like to sometimes like just wear that. Last step, last but not least, is going to be our Sleeping Night Oil by Sunday Riley also. And I do have a few of these, you know, obviously they all have different, you know, purposes. This one looks green, this one is a blue one, and I have another one in there, but here's these. And I'm just gonna put just a very small amount just to help pump up the skin. Like I said, I have surgery tomorrow, so I just not really doing too much, just skincare, you know, for the night. That's freaking cool. Rub that into my lips as well, since they're dry. But I think I'm dealing with a lot of nervous energy right now, but in the meantime, please help me and support me, and just you know, like, share, comment. If you have any products that you want me to try, list them down below. If you weren't sure or clear about any of the products that I mentioned, I will have them in the description, so you can definitely go find them, you know, Google them, or the links and all that. So thank you guys for watching. It is now time for me to go to bed. This is my skin now, and it was really dry, and now, as you can see, I don't know if you can see very well, but now I'm like very moisturized, and I feel very rejuvenated. I feel you know, all that stuff, all that good stuff. Okay, and then for my lips, I am just going to put I put the products on from the Good Genes from Sunday Riley, and I put a little bit of the night oil as I rubbed it in. So to kind of seal it in, I want a thick lip gloss, or you know, a lip sealant, and this is by Bite. Agave Plus Intensive Lip Mask. So the other things, I don't know if you can see this, but the other things have already kind of like went into my skin, so I know that they sink in. So this is just kind of protective barrier. It's really thick texture. And there you go. That's just to kind of help it stay in. Yeah, okay. Now let's take some pictures for the thumbnail.